Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing an install with the Voltex style side skirts on my Evo 9. First thing I need to do is get the OEM side skirts off this car, and then we can put the new ones on. So there's a bunch of Phillip head screws underneath the side skirt that we got to get out, and then a bunch of little clips that pop right into the side here. So let's get those Phillip screws out and then pop this side skirt off. As you can see, it's pretty easy to get it off. Now that we got it off, we can test fit our Voltex side skirt. Right now it's just sitting in there, not attached by any way whatsoever. See, there's a little bit of a gap there, and I'm guessing that's probably to accommodate for wider fenders. But other than that, I mean, they fit pretty well. So the next thing I'll do is put some double-sided sticky tape down, and I got to use some self-tapping screws, which this isn't a permanent install, because obviously these need to be wrapped, which will be in a video coming up shortly. So let's go ahead and get this done. So I self-tapped it right there along the door jamb. This thing does need a little trimming in some other areas here, and also it needs some brackets as well, but overall it's looking pretty good. So I'll have to fab up some of those brackets. Let's get started on the other side. As you can see, it's not perfect. Gotta do a little bit of trimming on this one so I can get that rear part to suck up closer to the body. The rest of it fits pretty well. A little bit lower than the OEM ones, but if you have a low profile jack, you shouldn't have an issue. There's a little cutout right there for the jack to go into, and then you can jack it up by the pinch weld. The install wasn't too bad, just had a little bit of work I had to do on them, to be expected with replica parts, but don't look too bad. Let's roll a little cinematic for you guys. Like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to be fabbing up some brackets for these side skirts, and also I'm going to have to do a wrap on these things, so stay tuned for a video coming soon of that. That's going to be a wrap on this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.